Hello everyone, and welcome to this edition of Investing and Trading Live. As always, my name is Josh Lilquist. Now, we've got another impromptu session here with you today. I was on a Sunday morning walk near my place, and as you can hear the wind potentially behind me, I've been driving past this fence for years and years and years, and it just really got me to think about something today, because in trading and investing, one of the main things you need to do is protect yourself from loss. Well, what do I mean by that? Well, you're always going to have loss in the markets. There's no way around it. But the key to have longevity in the financial markets is to have small loss and high reward. Now, as I was on my walk here this morning, there's a fence behind my place. I have about a 60-acre field behind my place. In between my house and the field is a fairly busy road. It's just a regular 2-lane road, but it's fairly busy. Now, there's a fence that runs right along it. And for years, I've been watching deer, coyotes, skunk, turkey, everything that's out in that field. There's tons and tons of wildlife. Now, they put this fence up, I'm assuming many years ago, to protect the cars from loss. Now, we all know that deer are because they're all over the place, and this fence was slowing them down. It was getting the deer to stay on the side of that field. That way, they're not hitting cars, they're not causing accidents, and it was just kind of, while I was walking by it, and it's very similar to trading and investing, as I was alluding to a few moments ago. Now, when you trade and invest, whether it's for short-term trading or long-term wealth, everybody says they buy and hold, and that may be or may not be because they know what they're doing, but it could be because that's what they're told by everybody to go do. Buy XYZ stock and hold it for years and years and years. Well, over time is that one thing that you lose. You lose that time, which means the longer you do that, the lower and lower your rate of return, but also you need to either get out of that position at one point to realize your profits, if there's a profit there. Now, in order for that to work, you would need to get in and then out at the very high for that to actually be a process to be very beneficial for you. But how about having a stop loss on your trades and investments? For example, we'll just say, a $1,000 risk for a $3,000 reward. Now, do you have to be right every single time to be profitable? You actually don't. If you do the simple math, say you have 3 winners and 7 losers, you have a net positive of $2,000 out of 10. So 10 trades, 7 losses, that'd be 7,000. 3 winners at 300 or 3,000 apiece. That's 9,000. Your net gain is $2,000. Now, to be able to have longevity in the financial markets, you just need to do that over and over and over and over again. But you need a consistent strategy as well. So that's the key of trading and investing. I want to do a short podcast with you guys here today. Just talk about the stop loss and how important it is and how it actually relates to anything that we do in our life. Whether it is putting on our seatbelt, protecting us from something. The fence that I was walking by. Okay. So, for more information on that, we talk a lot about that on the show here on Investing and Trading Live. We've been doing more sessions here for you guys. We've had a lot of listeners. Make sure to smash that like button. If you have any topics that you would like covered, feel free to just send a message into the show. You can go to investingandtradinglive.com or just text right into the podcast site, whether you're listening to the podcast on Apple Podcasts, iHeartRadio, and Spotify. We'll do another session tomorrow. Not sure exactly what the session will be, but we'll have something for you on the financial markets. Got another big week coming up. It's Sunday here today, so we got the opener The futures market is open already. The Forex market is open already. And the stock market Central Time will be opening up at 8:30 a.m. on Monday mornings. So we'll do a session tomorrow, do a little recap on the day, see what's happening, what stocks are moving, what futures contracts are moving, what currencies could potentially moving, but also different strategies on how to make smarter investing decisions. So until then, retire young, my friends.